Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see inheritance in detail with code example. So let's see. So here you can see I have created a class already, human class. This is its population initially is 0, and whenever we create a class object from this class, then it will increase its population by 1, and it is class constructor, and it has some custom method as well. So this is create and this is that. These are when we want to execute this create, then it will return hello my name is self dot name, means whenever we will pass the name while creating an object from a class, then it will print hello my name is its name. Then when we pass that is it that, then it will set its alive value to false value, and it will set alive value to false. Actually I'm not it here, so I have to here pass self dot alive is equal to false, and decrease the population of by 1. And if it is already dead, so it will just return that it is already dead. It's already dead. So now executing this class, so I executed. So so I am creating some human class, uh, like Rohit is first human I created. His name is Rohit, and uh, age age is 26, and it is alive. True. I'm true. It is actually by default true. If it not pass, it is okay. But I am passing true. So now see. So it is created. Now let's check Rohit dot greet greet. So it is greeting. Hello, my name is Rohit, and now let's checking the population. Now what is a human population? It is 1 actually. Now I am killing this Rohit dot that dat. So actually I use here comma, so Rohit that. So now check the population. Now Rohit A has been dead. Human dot population. Now you can see after killing this Rohit, human population become 0. Now let's check. Now Rohit dot name is Rohit, but Rohit Rohit is Rohit dot alive. It is alive or not? False. Now again I am killing this Rohit dot dead. Uh, so it is saying that Rohit is already dead. We cannot kill a person 2 times. It has been killed already. So Rohit is already dead. So now I am creating one more human, Neha. Neha is my second human. So actually I create his human class. Human, her name is Neha, and her age is 26, and by default it will pass true. So let's see. Now Neha dot alive check, and Neha dot alive, it is true. And Neha now check population of humans. Now dot population, it is 1. Now again creating one more, Sarad is equal to an human class, and his name is Sarad. And now his age is 99, and I am it is that false. Is that is why I am passing that false value. So now check population human. What happened here? Okay, so capital human dot population. So now you can check human dot population now become one. Now it was already one because we've passed false because it is not alive, so it will not increase the population of human as well. So now at this point population of human is 1. Now what if I want to create a class employee class by the idea that whenever I create a object from this class employee class, it will increase the number of employee in my company. So let's check it out. So we can create like this class and employee. So this is my employee class. So wait a second. So I need to type all the codes like this. I have to write it's passing self and then name, age. I will pass all the things which already human class have. So it is actually wrong way to do this because our if a code is already present, why I need to type it again? Why I have to uh, why I have to type it again and it will and give it to memory. So for this, wait, for this, can we do like this that this employee class take all the features and methods from human class? Yes, we can. So for this, we do not have to do this. We do not have to pass this is class constructor. Just use your parenthesis and pass a class human. It can be multiple like a human and it is animal class. Our employee are animal also. So it can be multiple as I did not create an animal class. That's why I am not passing animal class here. So here you can say that my employee class is inheriting from human class. This human class now is being called parent class and this employee class is now being called derived class or can be called child class. Now here you can see employee, but you know that my employee have some specific ability as well. So what are these ability which human doesn't doesn't? So one ability is they have salary. So let's just define salary. His salary, its salary, salary pass self and print. His salary uh, self dot name salary is self dot name salary is self dot salary is actually we cannot because I didn't pass any salary argument. It did not have salary attribute. That is why as for now I am not passing. I will pass in future video how we pass is on. So self dot name it has salary. Its salary is now as for now it is to 20,000 and it is f string. So f string salary, and one more ability has uh, employee what his ability, his functionality or his domain. So domain, self, he is print, he is good programmer, he is good programmer, good programmer. So this is, so I created a employee class from human class and added some abilities of employee class as well. So now you can see here. Now, so let's create a employee. I create an employee, like I hired Rohan in my company. So I am creating Rohan class employee. His name is Rohan. His Now we have to maintain the order. That is why we have to pass first name, then age, then alive. So he's Rohan and age is 26. He's alive or not, it is by default. So we have, it is optional to pass. I'm not, I'm choosing not to pass. So Rohan and 26, and also hiring Hira Ben. Hira. Hira employee. Uh, his name is Hira. Hira, and age is 58. So I had these two. So now let's check Rohan. Now you can see here it didn't throw any error. I used her name or self dot name as well, and I didn't used here class constructor method. Here you can see anywhere you are checking that it has name. No, self dot name have, human have attribute self dot name. This class does not have attribute self dot name, but it is inheriting from human. So now that check Rohan, Rohan dot name, Rohan dot name, name array. Sorry. So Rohan dot name. Now you can see it is Rohan. So let's check Rohan dot uh, calling employees function is its salary. It is not why Rohan, its salary. So Rohan is not defined. So actually it is A. So it is salary is function, so it is callable. So Rohan salary is 2000. So now Hira, check Hira one. Hira one. So Hira is check its salary. Its salary. So it is also, so it is also 2000. So one more thing. Do I have to increase the number of employee as well? Because here in this case number of employees is not getting increased. So whenever I create a object from employee class, it automatically have to increase the number of employee, but how? So for this I have to initialize its own class constructor. I do not have to depends on this class is parent class constructor, is parent class constructor, because it it can have child class can have its own attributes, so it will need to execute when automatically as well. So in this case I am not doing this. I will do in future videos. In next video in this video I have to check this out that I am hiring or not. Defining hiring or not. Define hired or not. So it's hired. It's hired self self. So it will print it is hired or not. So this is like this. So we have to change its own employee class own attribute. That is why I'm not defining. So here you can understand. Now you can understand. I created employee and I also created human from. So let's check now human population. Let's human dot population. Now you can see here 3. Before this it was 1. Now it is 3. You can say these are already exist. So you can assume that these employees are living outside India and now they came to India for doing this job. So now human population is increased in India. So you can think like this. So thanks for watching this video. In next video we will see how to create a class constructor of employee class, of child class, and also inherit, and how we can inherit any class, how we can inherit any attribute or any method of parent class. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.